Hi, this is Jumi. Today I'm going to share with you something which is very close to our heart: how we transformed our tired and retired garden into a warm, welcoming space. When we started this project nearly 2 years back, I honestly didn't think to share it on YouTube. So, we don't have those perfect step by step videos, but I have tried to piece together our story through old photos and short clips just to take you along on the journey with us. So, stay tuned and watch this video till the end to see this transformation. The first thing we wanted to change was our old fence and shed. They had been there for years, worn out and dull. So we replaced them with a modern fence and built a summer house to bring new life to the space. That instantly gave our garden a fresh, updated look. Next, we wanted to add more structure, something to give the garden personality. So we created raised planters. They added character, height, and definition, making the whole layout feel more designed and purposeful. Once we had the fence, raised beds, and summer house ready, we decided to pause our garden project. Our home extension was about to begin, and it made sense to finish that first before adding the final touches outdoors. After the extension was complete, we couldn't wait to get back to our garden again. We refreshed the lawn once more and planted 5 mature evergreen trees along the boundary, adding evergreen shrubs in between to create a natural green wall. It instantly made the space feel lush and private. For the planter box in front of the summer house, which sits right in our line of sight from the living room, we chose low-height shrubs mixed with evergreen and perennial flowering plants. That way, no matter the season, we always have color, texture, and something beautiful to look at. To make evenings magical, we added warm fan lights. Just that gentle glow transformed the space completely, making it so cozy and inviting after sunset. It became a place we could enjoy day and night. And finally, to complete everything, we added potted plants in classic terracotta pots and couple of furnitures. They brought warmth and timeless charm, those little details that make the garden feel truly ours. Looking back now, this whole journey has been so rewarding. What started as a neglected patch has turned into our favorite place, where we relax, host friends, and simply enjoy being surrounded by nature. I hope our story inspires you to create your own little garden. With a little bit of creativity, love, and patience, you can create something very beautiful. In my next videos, I will be sharing some of the beautiful flowering plants you can grow to add color and vibrancy to your garden all throughout the year. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. I will keep bringing you more videos on how you can decorate your home and garden one corner at a time.